Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right for your skin, using good products, following routines, but your skin still isn't improving? It's frustrating, confusing, and honestly, a little disappointing. The truth is, sometimes the problem is not your products, it's the small habits and hidden mistakes you don't even realize you're making. In this video, we're going to break down the real reasons your skin is not improving, even when you're trying. Skincare today is more complicated than ever. There are so many products, so many ingredients, and so much advice online, that it's easy to feel like you're doing something wrong. But most of the time, it's not about doing more. It's about understanding what actually matters, and what doesn't. Let's go through the real reasons one by one. Reason 1. You're being inconsistent. Consistency is one of the most important parts of skincare, and also one of the most ignored. Using a product for a few days, then skipping, then switching, this breaks the entire process. Your skin needs time to respond. Most ingredients take weeks to show results, not days. When you keep changing or skipping your routine, your skin never gets the chance to adjust or improve. Even the best products won't work if you're not using them consistently. The solution is simple: stick to a basic routine and follow it regularly. Reason 2. You're focusing on too many things. Another common reason is trying to fix everything at once. Acne, dark spots, texture, dullness, all at the same time. This usually leads to using multiple products, which can overwhelm your skin. Instead of improving, your skin becomes irritated and confused. Skincare works better when you focus on one concern at a time. Start simple, and target one main issue. Once your skin stabilizes, you can move to the next. Reason 3. Your routine is not matching your skin type. You might be using good products, but they may not be right for your skin. For example, using heavy creams on oily skin, or harsh products on dry skin. When your routine doesn't match your skin type, it can make things worse instead of better. Understanding your skin type is essential. Your routine should support your skin, not fight against it. Reason 4. You're ignoring the basics. Many people jump into advanced products but ignore the basics. A strong skincare routine always starts with a gentle cleanser, a good moisturizer, daily sunscreen. Without these, your routine is incomplete. You can use expensive serums, but if your basics are not consistent, you won't see results. Sometimes, going back to basics is the best thing you can do for your skin. Reason 5. You're expecting results too fast. One of the biggest reasons people feel like skincare is not working is unrealistic expectations. We are used to quick results in everything, but skincare doesn't work that way. Your skin takes time to renew and heal. Most improvements happen gradually over weeks or even months. If you expect instant results, you'll always feel like nothing is working. Patience is not just important, it's necessary. Extra insight, make it feel deeper. Another important thing to understand is that skincare is not just about products. Your lifestyle also affects your skin. Sleep, stress, diet, all of these play a role. Even the best routine cannot fully work if your overall habits are not supporting your skin. That's why skincare should be seen as part of a bigger picture, not just a quick solution. Not seeing results from skincare can feel frustrating, but most of the time, the solution is simpler than you think. It's not about buying more products or following every trend. It's about understanding your skin, keeping your routine simple, and staying consistent. Small habits, when done regularly, create real results over time. Instead of looking for instant changes, focus on building a routine that supports your skin in the long run. When you give your skin time, patience, and the right care, improvement becomes inevitable. If you want simple, science-based skincare explained clearly, subscribe for more.